Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I set out a survey on my channel and I asked you guys, do you guys want to know the spoilers for Boxy Popup or do you want to wait and be surprised? There was an overwhelming majority of you guys who would like to see the spoilers for Boxy Popup. So if you would like to see those, then just keep on watching.
They gave you my heart.
Okay, you guys, you're gonna be super stoked about the information I have to give you because do you guys remember when Boxycharm did a box takeover by Fenty Beauty, but it was only for premium and not a lot of people got to experience that? Well, now is your chance because in Popup, they're selling so much Fenty Beauty stuff, you can make your very own Fenty box. So I think that's really cool. A lot of stuff is selling dirt cheap, so that's also awesome. Not only do you get Fenty products, but you get them for up to 80% off on some items, and I just think that's super awesome. So just to recap really quick for those of you who don't know, Boxy Popup will be starting and opening up August 10th for people who either receive Boxy Lux, receive Premium, or if you're on the wait list for Boxy Lux or Premium. So if you guys want to get in there before everybody else, I highly suggest you guys get on the wait list for Boxy Lux or Premium because then you get in early if you're just on the wait list. So, and everybody else who just gets the base box will have access on the 11th. That's August 11th. I just wanted to show you guys really quick my notebook. That's what I took my Boxy Popup notes in somewhere. I just thought that was so adorable. I had to share it. Okay. Let's get into these because, girl, there's a lot. All right, so let's start off with mostly just Rihanna products first. I'm sure a lot of you guys are here for those. So the spoiler number 1 for Popup is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Mini Primer, valued at $16. So it is the mini. It's not full size, it is mini. But it's retail for $16. Boxy Popup is selling it for $9. I don't have the prices for everything that Boxy Popup is selling it for, but I do have retail values. And then everything is basically, I don't know, 20% off or more for sure. Spoiler number 2 is the Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. This is full size and it is valued at $22, but Boxy Popup is selling it for $12. Wow. So just so you guys know, I believe the only non-full size item is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Mini Primer. So everything else should be full size. Spoiler number 3 is the Match Sticks Matte Skin Sticks, valued at $25, but Boxycharm is selling it for $12. I did want to let you guys know though that on Rihanna's website that all of the matchsticks are on sale right now for $17.50. So do what you want with that information. And then spoiler number 4 is the Body Lava Body Luminizer, valued at $59. Boxycharm is selling it for $29. Just so you guys know, I want to let you guys know all of the information, all of the tea before you go in there and spend all your coin. If you guys respect Manny and his opinion at all, that's Manny MUA. Manny did not really like the feeling of the Body Lava on his skin. So I believe it just feels like really oily and stuff. So just so you guys know, but it is very pretty. Okay, spoiler number 5 irritates me. Okay, let's get into it and then we'll chat about it. Spoiler number 5 is the Avalanche All Over Metallic Powder Set. It comes with 7 loose pigments, all metallic, and it's valued at $99. Boxycharm is selling it for $24. Oh my gosh, what a great deal, right? Right? No. So I did, I couldn't find this on Rihanna's website at all whatsoever, but I did find it on Sephora. And it is being sold on Sephora on sale for $25. So it's being sold on Sephora for $25. It is sold out right now, so I'm kind of wondering if Boxycharm took that opportunity and bought out all of their product for $25 a piece, and then they're giving us a $1 discount. I don't like it when they do stuff like that. They're like, oh my gosh, look at what we're doing for you guys. We love you so much. We're going to give you this huge discount. When really, honestly, if they bought it for $25, then, which it's open to the public. Anybody can go into Sephora and buy it for $25. It is out of stock right now, but it was on sale for $25. So if Boxycharm went in, bought it for $25, we're getting a $1 discount. But on Boxy Popup, Boxycharm is saying that it's worth $99 and that they're selling it for $24. So what a big discount, right? Please let me know down in the comments what you guys think of that. Okay, moving on. Spoiler number 6 is the Stunna Lip Paint Long Wear Fluid Lip Color in the shade Uncensored. It's valued at $25 and Boxycharm is selling it for $12. And this is like the truest red shade ever. It's got like blue undertones to it. So it is like red. Like red. My favorite one. My favorite shade of red. Okay? That's what this lip shade is. Stunning. Alrighty. And then next, we have spoiler number 7, which is the Kila.I Foil Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Ruby Riches. It's valued at $36. It didn't say how much Boxycharm was selling it for. Then there's spoiler number 8, the Becca Cosmetics Ombre Rouge Eyeshadow Palette. It's not on their website, and I couldn't really find it anywhere but like Beautylish, eBay, Walmart, stuff like that. So I did go based off of the Beautylish website because I just felt like I could really trust the prices on there. And they're selling it for $40. And then we have spoiler number 9, which is the Kopari Sundays Mineral Face Sunscreen SPF 30, valued at $34. But it is selling for $12 on Boxycharm, and it is 65% off. So I did get to find out how much percent that item is, and sunscreen, okay? But it's Kopari, so I feel like it would be very, very nourishing and great to be put on your face. And then spoiler number 10 is the Mine Tan Natural Glow Tanning Water, valued at $34.95. And Boxycharm is selling it for $9, which is 74% off. Whoa. And that's something I could really use right now because do you see the difference in the shade on my arms? Darker driving arm. The arm that's in the car. I need some tanning stuff for sure because I'm lopsided. All right, and then there is spoiler number 11, which is the Cosmetics CPR Skin Recovery Serum, valued at $52. I really like cosmetics products personally. Spoiler number 12 is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in the shade Light, I believe, or maybe that's just like the weight of it, light. I don't know. It just said Photo Finish Foundation Primer Light, valued at $36. And then spoiler number 13 is the Becca Cosmetics Ocean Jewel Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $35. Number 14 is the Beauty Bakery. It's going to be in Popup. Yes, I love Beauty Bakery. Oh my gosh. I haven't got to try any of their products before, but their packaging, and I've heard absolutely wonderful things about their products too from people that I trust greatly. So, yeah, I absolutely love Beauty Bakery, even though I haven't tried their products. That's saying something. It's their So Icy Illuminator, valued at $16. And then there's spoiler number 15, which is another great product. It is the Farsali Skin Tune Blur, valued at $54. If you guys remember, at one point in Boxycharm, some people got the glassy skin. It's the Farsali glass skin serum. Oh my gosh, amazing. Okay, spoiler number 16 is from Pharmacy. It is the Do It All Total Eye Cream, valued at $38. And keep in mind, if I didn't say how much Boxycharm is selling it for, the value of the products are the regular prices. So Boxycharm isn't selling the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream at $38. That's how much it's sold on their website. Okay, and then spoiler number 17 is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Chai and Flaxseed Coil Custard. And that is valued at $26. Spoiler number 18 is Glow Motions Glow Oils, valued at $35. That one seemed really interesting and kind of similar to the Body Lava from Fenty. Then there's spoiler number 19. Okay. It's a Luxie Complete Face Set of Brushes, valued at $80. Would you guys pay $80 for a full brush set? I just personally, maybe I'm just cheap, but that sounds like a lot for some Luxie brushes, okay? Keeping in mind, most of the time when we get Luxie brushes, they're an Ipsy. So, okay, it is super hot in my room right now. Unbelievably hot lately. Number 20 is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge, valued at $8. That's how much it's sold in the store, so I'm not sure how much Boxycharm will be selling it for, but I'm sure it will be less than $8. And please let me know down below, I'm very curious, that after all the drama that happened and everything, are you guys still purchasing from Morphe, or have you moved to purchase more from Sephora and Ulta? I would really like to know that. Spoiler number 21 is the Proactive Deep Cleansing Brush, valued at $40. Personally, I don't use cleansing brushes because that's a lot of physical exfoliation, which is just not good for your skin. It breaks down your skin's natural barrier and could actually damage your face. That's just my opinion. That's what I do. I watch a lot of Hiram, so if you guys know Hiram, you know that those brushes are not good for your face. Then we have spoiler number 22, which is the Alex and Annie Starfish Charm Bangle, valued at $28. It is super cute. So super cute. Something really great and super cute to wear to the beach. And then there's spoiler number 23, which is the Sunny Life Scented Candle and Diffuser Set in the scent Adore, and it's valued at $30. I don't know. I might just be cheap. You guys let me know if these prices are like something you would pay. Like, would you pay $30 for a diffuser and a candle? Okay. And then there is spoiler number 24, which is the Becca Cosmetics Pearl Glow Lip Tint in Rose, valued at $22. There's a lot of Becca in here, a lot of Fenty in here. So nice. And then there's spoiler number 25, and it is the Juice Beauty Photo Pigments Luminous Lip Crayon, valued at $22. And also, I'm really curious to know, do you guys say crayon a different way? Like, a lot of people say that there's like this huge debate on how you're supposed to say crayon. I say crayon. It's a color crayon. That's how we say it over here on the West Coast. But do you guys say it differently than crayon? Interesting. And then there is spoiler number 26, which is the Kaja Beauty Earhart Lightweight Natural Finish Lipstick, valued at $17. And it's actually in the shape of a heart. So adorable. And then there's spoiler number 27, which is the Smashbox Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick, valued at $24. Great product. Spoiler number 28 is another one of those ones where I'm just like, okay, Boxycharm. Or I guess not really Boxycharm. I guess it would more be an eye roll to the company. I mean, I don't really get to judge them on their prices or anything like that, but I'm like, Number 28 is my tag-alongs beach kit. It comes with a towel, a beach towel. It comes with a comb, just a plastic comb. One of those really tiny, small, compact mirrors. And one of those little wet zipper bags where you'd put like your wet bathing suit or something in. And that's it. And it's valued at $49. So $50 for a towel, a comb, a compact mirror, and a bag. I just don't feel like it's worth it. I don't know. Like I said, I might be cheap. Spoiler number 29 is the Sunny Life Luxe Mesh Beach Bag Dulce Classic, valued at $45. And then last but not least is number 30. It's the Kila.I Highlighter Duo, valued at $36. And those are cool because they're like hot pink, purple, like different colors that you normally wouldn't use. And I think those are super cool. So that is all the Boxy pop-up spoilers that I have been able to wrangle up so far. Please let me know down in the comments what you think you want to buy for pop-up, because it would be interesting to come back again and see what you guys actually were able to get, because I do know most of the time pop-up crashes, and a lot of the time people are having a hard time getting it in their cart. Another thing I would really like to tell you guys, like a little hint, is that if you go in and it says something is sold out or not available, refresh the page. Try and refresh the page, because I know a lot of people had that issue last time, and if they refreshed, it came available. So try and refresh before you get upset that the product you want is sold out or not available. And like always, I love you guys so very much. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date with all things Boxycharm. Come over, have some fun, watch some boxes be opened. And I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!